Hey guys, Enderman 283 here, and today this is my 13th reaction episode of Enderman 283. Well, I don't know, but I mean Enderman's reaction. So it's been like 1 month since I haven't made this yet, but it's okay. I still have work anyway, but don't worry. Today we're gonna be reacting SML short The Ugly Duckling animation by Nintendo. Now, first, he makes the greatest animations on earth when he makes it, so blah blah blah. Anyways, let's get started. Let's see. Oh, there is a ocean. Oh, that's the duckling. Oh, he squeaks. Oh my god! Ooh, that's. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, they're having to kiss each other. Oh no! Zeta, he is crying. Oh no! What is he going to do? Oh no! He is so mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. He falls down. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is a superhero. Oh, he laughs. Well. Oh my god. What's going on here? It goes down and what did he say? Check. Yes. Oh, is he going to say something? He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Oh no, he's crying. Wait, he gives him a flower. Wait. Oh, oh my god, they love each other now? Oh my gosh, I was... Wait. Wait. Hold on. What's going on? Oh, the security! What in the love of God is this? Oh no. Wait, they're talking. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What's this? A laptop. Oh my god, he's busted. Oh no. Oh no. He's in jail. He's in jail. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. Jesus Christ. Okay, he dies. He's like, okay, thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching this animation, and thanks to Nintendo who makes the animation of all entire life of toys, plushies, and everything. But make sure to subscribe. Enderman 283. If I have to make more, and sometimes, but it's okay. It's not. It's gonna take like forever. I don't know. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Later.